Ooh, my favorite customer.
Morning, Flo.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, come on.
Anybody know the cure for hiccups?
No.
Wait, what?
I thought you knew everything.
Pronto? Trattieni il respiro.
Why don't you give it a try? Easy.
You okay?
That's it.
Try my homeopathic cure, man.
What's in it?
I don't know, but I don't think it's pumpkin juice.
You don't want to know.
It's not going to work.
Cool.
Whoa.
The bloody hell was that?
Whoa, gross.
Voila! Oh, come on!
Stop hiccuping, soldier! That's an order! Try a drink of water!
I don't think so.
You gotta hang upside down, spin around while you touch your tongue to the hood.
Hey, need a drink of water! The hiccup, soldier!
Mater, let him down! I've got this.
My hiccups are gone. Thanks, Sally.
Act of true love. Don't worry, Sheriff, I'll carry you.
Mater, stay away!
Just a little kiss.